Hi Jenny,
Hi Darren.
how are you? And what are you doing these days?
Good, thanks. I am working as a bartender in New South Wales.
I also want to work in the hospitality industry, but not sure how to get started. Can you help?
Sure, do you know about online RSA course?
What is an RSA course?
The Responsible Service of Alcohol certificate demonstrates your knowledge of alcohol consumption regulations in Australia. It is a mandatory requirement for individuals seeking employment in the hospitality industry where alcohol is served or sold.
Can you tell me more about how to apply for RSA online?
Of course. The first step is to find a registered training organisation that provides RSA courses online. I recommend Galaxy Training Australia, which is a fully accredited training organisation.
Okay, what's the next step?
The next step is to sign up for their RSA course online, which is self-paced, so you can take breaks whenever you need to. With GTA, you can start a free trial and pay only when you like the course. The courses can be accessed on any device, a mobile, tablet, laptop.
That sounds great. What's included in the course?
You will have access to easy-to-learn course content and assessment at the end of the course. Upon the completion of the course, you can download and print your nationally recognized statement of attainment.
That's awesome. How much does it cost?
With GTA, you don't need to worry about the cost. The RSA online course will cost you $21.99 only, except for RSA course in New South Wales, which is $139, or including $97 competency card fee, no extra charges.
That's affordable. Is the RSA certificate valid all over Australia?
Yes, the Statement of Attainment offered by GTA is valid all over Australia.
Okay,
However, for some states, you need to take a free bridging course. For RSA Victoria, you need to complete an online RSA bridging course for free to be recognised in Victoria. For RSA New South Wales, you will receive an interim certificate, which is valid for 90 days and can start working immediately. You need to apply for a photo competency card within 90 days.
that's interesting. Do I need a bridging course for other states as well?
The Statement of Attainment will be recognised in Tasmania, Western Australia, Northern Territory, South Australia, Australian Capital Territory, and Queensland. You don't need a bridging course for these states.
Thanks for the information. I'll definitely check out Galaxy Training Australia.
You're welcome. Remember, holding an RSA certificate is mandatory for anyone serving or selling alcohol in Australia. It's an essential qualification for individuals seeking employment in the hospitality industry. With GTA, you can obtain your RSA certification online quickly and easily.